Christina right here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Super excited that you have inquired about our all-new venue. Listen, it is an amazing vehicle. But before I tell you all about that, let me tell you what we're doing here at the dealership to keep you and us safe. We are sanitizing the dealership daily, as well as cleaning all the touch points throughout the day. On top of that, we are absolutely available to bring these vehicles out to you to test drive at your home, and can even do the entire transaction remotely. So on top of that, Hyundai decided to help us out even more and throw in a stimulus package for you guys. There is 90 days to the very first payment. And if for some reason you were to lose your job during the coronavirus crisis, you would also do another 6 months of no payment. Listen, on top of all of that, they decided to throw in 3 years of worry-free maintenance. You don't get a better offer than that. And on top of that, you get this amazing vehicle. Let's check it out. It has our beautiful honeycomb grille in the front, our wraparound LED headlights with daytime running lights. It's going to have an amazing amount of space, and in this compact SUV, you're going to love the fact that it comes with power windows, power door locks, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and it also comes with our lane departure cruise control, and it also has a digital climate control system. But to top it all off, you're gonna love the fact that these vehicles come with America's best warranty, which is the 5-year, 60,000 new car warranty, a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty that Tameron exclusively doubles to 20 years and 200,000 miles. Listen, you definitely cannot beat all the amazing things that Hyundai is doing right now, and you're not gonna beat this amazing vehicle with the best warranty. So give me a call. It's Christina at 205-314-0301. Give me a chance and let me show you why you'll love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover.